Good day everyone. So for this video, I will be showing you how to remove an audio from a video using OpenShot video editor software. So we'll go ahead and open the software. It will look like this. So you'd want to import your video to this software. You'd like to drag it here. And if we play it, you should hear a noise in the background. So you can hear the music video. So in this case, we want to remove the audio from this video. What we want to do is right click and go to volume and separate audio, sorry, and then do a single clip. So you'll wait few seconds and the audio will be extracted. So what you can do is just delete it. And if we play the video again, it should play without any sound. So with this, what you can do is you can add another music video or music sound if you want. You can add it to the video. So if we play it again, it should play a music that I've added now.
Just live forever.
So what you'd like to do in this case, after you removed the audio, what you can do is just import another music sound. Just import it there, you just drag it and add it below the video. And if we start from the beginning, we should hear now a music. As you can see. And then you can just cut it wherever you want. You can cut it here. You can do like slice form. You can do it like this. And you can put also in the volume and end of clip, you do as fade out. So the music fade out as the music is or the video is finishing. And that's pretty much it. And then you just export it. You can give it whatever name you want. Where do you want to save it? And then just export video. Thank you everyone.